Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I filmed this pink and blue half cut crease and I'm really loving my inner corner. I think it turned out really cute and I like the metallic-y look. Anyway, if you'd like to see how I achieve this, then please keep on watching. And to prep my eyes, I'm going to take my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5 and I'm going to pat that all over my lid with my M224 brush. Now picking up the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to take that blue shade on a small blending brush, and I'm going to start packing that into the inner corner of my crease. And now taking the James Charles X Morphe palette, I'm going to mix both of the purple shades and start packing that on the outer edge of my crease. Now taking the hot pink shade on the same brush, and I'm going to start packing that right over where I placed the purple. And then I'll be taking a clean blending brush and I'm going to start blending out the pink, and I'll be going back into the pan and hitting the purple shades and the pink just to diffuse it and blend it out. And now that I have the pink and the blue blended out, I'm going to take my M224 brush again, and I'm going to take the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, and I'm going to start cutting out my half cut crease. And now I'll be taking the pink shade, mixing it with a little bit of the purple, and start placing that on the outer corner. And then I'll be taking the James Charles palette again, and I'm going to take that kind of minty blue metallic shade, and I'm going to place that right in front of the pink, just to kind of give it an ombre effect with the blue. And then I'll be taking Sugarpill's eyeshadow in the shade Taco and placing that over the white base that's left. And now I'll be taking all the same brushes that I used to place the colors down and just diffusing and blending it in. And I went ahead and did my other eye off camera, and now I'll be taking Colourpop's Flexitarian highlighter, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to my inner corner. And now I'll be taking the NYX Jumbo White Pencil and the shade Milk, and I'm going to add that to my waterline. And now I'll be taking DODO lashes in the style D328, and I'm going to go ahead and place those on. And I'll be spritzing my brush with a little bit of the Mario Badescu spray, and then I'll be taking my Anastasia X Amrezy Highlighter, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Now I'll be picking up a little liner brush and taking Fenty Beauty's Veil Stunna lip paint, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to line my lips, and then I'll be filling it in with the shade Unbutton. Now I'll be taking a little liner brush and mixing the Helen Cosmetics Neon Pigment mixed with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Zero. And I'm going to go ahead and place 3 little dots on the outer corner of my eye, just for a little extra, and this is my channel and this is what we do. Anyway, and I'm going to go ahead and set those little neon dots with the neon pigment just to make it bright. Now I'll be taking some mascara and I'll be applying that to my top and my bottom lashes. And as usual, I'll be spraying my face with the Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray and pressing it in with my Morphe sponge. Alright guys, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this pink and blue half cut crease. I don't really know what this is. I did it once and I had a lot of compliments, so I figured I'd film it and add the little neon dots just to be extra. Anyway, I really love my inner corner. I think it turned out really cute, and the neon pigment really made those dots really bright, and it kind of completed the whole look. Anyway, if any makeup product I use will be in my description below, and you can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, both at rosaxrobles. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know below what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.